Hello everyone. In today's video tutorial we are going to look at how we can apply animation to a given slide. So to apply animation to a given slide, you start by selecting a given content within that slide. We use these animations if we would like to draw the attention of our audience to the contents that we are presenting to them. So I will select this information. Then now to animate or make this text move the way we want, we shall go to Animations tab. From the Animations tab, we shall work with Animations group. Where we see Animate, in this area we see no animation, meaning that this selected text is not yet having that effect of the animation. So we have to apply it by clicking on that arrow pointing down. However, before we can apply the different animation effects, let's look at the different effects that we can work with. One is the fade effect, then we also have the wipe effect, and we have the fly in effect. So let's go ahead and apply the fade effect to the selected text. So we want that the selected text should all fade at once. So we shall click on that option, all at once. So when you click on it, let's see how this selected text will be animated. So to preview, we just use this option for preview. So when we click on it, we can see that the effect has been applied as we have put from the other side. So let's also try to select this text and we try to use a different animation effect. So after selecting, we shall go to the animations group. We use this arrow. Then let's use this option for wipe. So we want to use wipe all at once. So we shall click. So when we click, this is fading, then this one is wiping. So that's how you can apply the different animation effects to the contents within your slide. Then even when you have a picture or an object within your slides, you can still animate. You start by selecting, then go to the animations group, work with that arrow. Let's say we want it to fly in, so we shall click fly in, so we can see what is taking place to the contents within the slide. Then there are other options I would like to share with you. So I'll click on slide 2. Now we want to animate our heading. I'll select the heading using this placeholder. Then I'll work with that arrow still. We can now see that some options have been removed. That shouldn't be the issue. The good thing is you can still access these different animation effects. So we would like our selected text, which is types of networks, to fly in. So we shall click fly in. You can see it is doing exactly what we have said. Then we want also to work with these lists. So how do these lists get animated? We shall select, then we go to animate, and now we can access all other options. So we want our lists to fly by to fade by first level paragraphs. So when I point at that option, we can see what is taking place on our screen. So I'll click on it. So whereas this one is flying in, then these ones are fading by first level paragraph. So that's how we can work with those different animation effects with their options. Then if you would like to remove any animation effect from the slide, you select that given text or object that has the animation effect, then you'll go to the animations tab first of all, then you work with animations group, and you'll just come back to this arrow and you work with this option where we see no animation. So when you click and say no animation, this one will fly in, but these ones will not do anything because there are no animation effect to these contents. Hope you found this video tutorial helpful to you. That's it for now. See you in our next tutorial.